Welcome to Solar Sovereign, your trusted distributor of cutting-edge solar solutions. Today, we're excited to present the Sol-Ark 15K2P solar inverter. The Sol-Ark 15K2P solar inverter, manufactured by Sol-Ark, is a powerful and reliable solution designed to optimize the performance of your solar energy system. Let's delve into the exceptional features of this remarkable inverter. This solar inverter boasts a range of impressive features, including, with a maximum allowed PV power of 19,500W, the Sol-Ark 15K2P solar inverter can handle substantial solar energy inputs. Featuring 3 MPP trackers, this inverter optimizes energy conversion from your PV panels. Enjoy flexibility with multiple nominal AC voltage options, including 120/240V, 120/208V, and 220V. Delivering a maximum continuous real power of 15,000W, the Sol-Ark 15K2P solar inverter ensures efficient energy utilization. Whether you prefer lithium or lead-acid batteries, this inverter supports both technologies, allowing you to choose the best option for your needs. Stay connected and in control of your solar system with the integrated Wi-Fi and LAN communication. Monitor your energy production, adjust settings, and receive important notifications right from your fingertips. Now let's discuss why you should choose Solar Sovereign as your solar distributor when considering the Sol-Ark 15K2P solar inverter. At Solar Sovereign, we believe in providing exceptional customer service. That's why we offer lifetime customer support. We're here to assist you throughout your solar journey, ensuring a seamless experience. We understand the importance of timely delivery. When you choose Solar Sovereign, you can expect fast shipping anywhere in the United States. Your Sol-Ark 15K2P solar inverter will reach you promptly, allowing you to start harnessing the power of the sun. To make your solar investment even more cost-effective, Solar Sovereign offers free shipping on select products, including the Sol-Ark 15K2P solar inverter. Take advantage of this opportunity and enjoy the convenience of free delivery. We're committed to providing competitive pricing on all our solar products. At Solar Sovereign, you'll find the lowest prices guaranteed. In fact, if you find a lower price elsewhere, let us know, and we'll happily match it. As a token of appreciation for watching this video until the end, we have a special treat for you. Use this code during checkout to unlock an exclusive discount on your purchase. Thank you for watching.